Here I've got Apple iPhone 11 Pro, and let me show you how to change text size on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select the display and brightness. Scroll down to the very bottom of the list where you will notice text size. Simply click on it, and now simply by tapping on the scale you can change the size of your text. So for example, you can pick a huge one, and as you can see, everything has changed. You can also bold the text if you want to. Just tap on bold text and now everything is bolded. Then if you would like to go back to default settings or just make your text smaller, simply select display and brightness, scroll down to the bottom of the list, click on bold to go back to the normal mode, and then pick the size that you would like to have, and I will stay with the default one. And that's basically all. This is how you can change text size in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.